Hi, I'm Mike Boland with Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson, Iowa. And today for our pre-owned vehicle of the week, I'd like to highlight this incredible 2020 Ford F-350. This truck is a loaded Lariat Ultimate with the Tremor package. It's got all the creature comforts a person could want, heated and cooled leather, moonroof. It's got a 6-inch lift kit. The Tremor package gets you all the off-road capability you would need, aftermarket wheels and tires, all black, auxiliary lighting up front. This truck has the look, it's got an attitude on wheels, and it's not only that, it's got the power to back it up. It has the incredible 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel V8, 475 horsepower, over 1,000 foot-pounds of torque. It'll get the job done. It can back up the look. Absolutely amazing, in less than 7,000 miles. Lots of factory warranty remaining on this truck. It is incredible. Come out, take a look at it, take it for a drive. You'll love it. We'd love to show it to you. Again, I'm Mike Boland with Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson. We look forward to seeing you soon on this 2020 Tremor. Thanks for watching and have a great day.